The year 2020 is a chaotic year. We have COVID, we have flooding all over the world. We have very unjust social environment in Hong Kong. And in Lebanon, we had this big explosion. Some people describe it as the end of the world. It is not, but it is a reminder to all of us. Something is wrong with this world, and we on our own cannot fix it. But we can always seek God's forgiveness. On the cross, Jesus said, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing." We certainly don't. However, we can always seek for Father's forgiveness. And we know His forgiveness is the answer to many questions.